can see that the door handle it broke off. It's gone. There's no little pieces in here. Sometimes there are. You just need to get that out. Anything that's loose and moving around. We'll open this up, remove this plastic cover, pull it out. You'll see that there is a T30 Torx head screw in there. Take that loose. There you go. And now we can remove this little piece here. If that doesn't want to get removed, you might need a little magnet or some needle nose pliers and just kind of pull this screw out a little bit. Or maybe you could just jam that in there and slowly pull it back out. That's the only thing that this will hang up on is that screw that goes in here. All right, back to this. We have our new door handle from Toyota. If you have this piece here, make sure that it is the same as the one that came off. I've had a couple Dorman pieces that have not worked. So this one came directly from Toyota. Just gonna set it in, front end first, and get the back end. And then you're just gonna pull it forward. Snaps in, that's it. Now we're going to push this screw back as far as it'll go. You see you have your screw hole here. Just gonna line that up, pop this in, open the door. And now we're gonna tighten up that T30 screw. Now once that's complete, we'll take this little insert, pop it back in. That's all there is to it. This is the part number for the door handles. It's the same part for both the driver and passenger side.